I forgot my glasses. I wanted to wear my IMAX 3D glasses because I like the frames. I wanted to wear them today. So here we go. Hey, everybody. Welcome to the show. Welcome to Froggy Stocks. Nothing I say is financial advice, entertainment purposes only. Yeah, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm getting weird warnings on my computer for some reason. There we go. Okay, Highcroft Mine. Aron coming out with the tweet. Highcroft Mining hired a new highly respected VP of exploration. I'm told he thinks Highcroft's land is a geologist's dream and a golden opportunity. Remember, Highcroft has explored only 2% of its 71,000 acres. Are there more gold and silver reserves to be found? Exciting. And yes, there are. The entire landscape of Highcroft Mine is, in fact, a geologist's dream. If you go to the geologist surveys from the USG website, you'll see multiple mines, multiple surveys, lots of gold and silver deposits. Nevada is literally the new gold. There's a new gold rush going on. You got JP Morgan, you got people in their office that have been manipulating gold and silver for years. They're getting caught. We've talked about it multiple times. The paper trading of gold and silver on the open market via ETFs is a disaster. They're shorting the living crap out of it. Gold and silver could possibly squeeze. This tweet from Aron is great. I absolutely love it. I came in with a comment right here. This is more technical. Well, according to whole ID H09 Delta 3768 via the Highcroft European Investor Deck, report sitting on deposits of 6,200 grams of ton per silver. That is an absolute win. That's mineralization of silver in the ground that they can get out. Can't imagine what else they will end up finding deeper in ground. Mineralization statements in the report are very encouraging. That's for me. I love it. I love Highcroft Mine. I made a very good amount of money on it from $1.30 up to the 340 run. I can't wait to make more money when this thing shoots for $5 or further on. Sugar and Elohim will not stop texting me about Highcroft Mine. Everybody's on it. Now, as soon as AA tweeted that, somebody rolled in and bought over 1 million shares. Look at this. Right here, 284,000. Then you had another 1.1 million in volume. Somebody came in and dropped some cash on that. I don't know if it was people just trying to play on the tweet hype or what it is, but it did have an effect. If you guys have not seen the Highcroft Mine report, you should go to Highcroft Mining, then go to recent presentations, and it'll bring you up to the European Investor Deck, which Diane Garrett took over to Europe, multiple countries. I think she was in Sweden too, maybe. I know she went to Zurich to give this presentation to people. It goes over the equipment, the land. They're getting the new mill. The new mill on site is a big deal. Prior to 2016, they did not have a mill on site. They had to send the mill, the ore off site and bring it back to the heap leaching pads. But now we also have the new POX processing instead of the heap leaching, which is much more effective, much more cost effective, and can get better results in silver and gold refining. Here's a map of the area you can go look at. Just go read the report. This report is set up so beautifully. And I hate to say, I'm pretty sure that's popcorn in their hands in those bags. I'm not sure. People are theorizing it's popcorn. Pretty sure it is. That's the Highcroft Mine employees. Some of them are apes themselves. Here's some surveys geologically, the vortex zone. And this is what I'm talking about here. These deposits, high-grade silver vortex deposit discovered in 2008, representing a unique opportunity to further explore. This one deposit was over 6,500 grams per ton of silver. That is absolutely freaking mind-boggling. And that's whole ID 3768. So in that zone, that's what they found back in 08, and they're still drilling and they're still finding new deposits, which you can read here. But chances are they have discovered something out there. They've discovered another mineralization deposit. They've got their costs lowered. They've got their new equipment on site. It's for $1. It is a steal of an investment. I love this company. I'm sticking with this one as long as I can. I will continue to buy shares under $1.30 to build my portfolio up month by month. I will also continue to buy AMC shares under 15. I'll say 15.50. As long as it's under there, I'm buying monthly shares. I do have $100 recurring payment monthly on computer share for direct registration, which I will probably continue to do basically for the rest of my life. I'm just treating it kind of like an investment retirement plan. I'm just going to keep loading up on AMC. You know, if it hits $50 again, I'll pull the recurring back, and I'll wait till if we squeeze out, I'll wait till it drops back down to respectable levels. But I'm just going to continue to keep buying, man. Right now, everybody in the market, all the experts are putting so much. First, they were like, no, it's okay. Nobody panic. Oh, it's just inflation. Don't worry. It's transitory. Don't worry. We're going to raise interest rates and it's going to come down. Oh, supply chain's being fixed. Nothing good is happening. Biden's selling oil to foreign countries out of our reserves. Inflation, they're talking now. The Fed is talking 100 basis point rate hike. Supply chain disasters are happening everywhere. Nobody's going back to work. Nothing they are saying from the White House or the Treasury or the Fed is correct. It's all out of control. It's going to crash. But I'm not going to stop buying, and here's why. They're putting the bad news finally into our news feed. The MSM is finally putting bad news into our news feeds, which means they want you to panic, they want you to sell, and they want you to quit buying now. Just like Jim Cramer said, oh, Bitcoin to 12K. Well, let's check and see what happened to Bitcoin. I think I even marked it down when he said that. Let's check. There it is. Cramer says Bitcoin to 12K right here. Guess what? It's still floating around 20,000. You know, this dude spreads fear, panic, and doubt, or then he shills stocks at the top like Netflix, of which, let me look up Netflix, where he told us to buy Netflix. He told everybody to buy Netflix at the all-time high of $700. He literally said right here, buy Netflix, right? And that thing did nothing but crash after that. This dude is a paid actor. He works for the man. I don't trust a word he says. Let's just go through some of the memes and tweets here. Of course, that's a classic meme right there. Adam Aron, Indiana Jones, CO Adam Laser Eyes. Oh, that's great. This one right here. I think I'm gonna retweet that. I love that. There we go. And Gasparino with his NFT. That's funny. Yo, I've done multiple videos in the past on Highcroft Mine. I really encourage everyone to go back and look at them. And on that too, I got to remember to say, please like and subscribe. If you are subscribed and you're not getting notifications, unsubscribe and resubscribe, because for some reason when I changed my settings on the YouTube, I made it so it was only adult quality videos, so kids wouldn't be getting videos or whatever it is. You got to unsubscribe, resubscribe, and then you'll be able to trigger notifications. But I'm seeing 40% of my viewers are not subscribed, and I want to get the subs in there if you please could, so it pushes the information out more into the channel. It helps the algorithms push the video. I'm not doing any super chats. I'm not doing any ball shaver advertisements like Coors does or anything. But there's a lot of people that DM me constantly saying, why can't I see your videos? Why do your videos not come into my feed? And that is why. Please like, subscribe, notifications, all that good stuff. And feel free to share the videos on Twitter if you want. I love making these videos, and then people can see what's going on in the chat too. Chavez, HYMC to the moon. I believe so, man. I really believe so. Let's see what they're doing to it. I'm sure they came in immediately and started trying to short this on this little spike here. But I do see some upside coming for HYMC anyways, not just today. But if you take a look at the longer chart, we're starting a reversal on, you know, we hit 93 cents. We're starting to trickle back up. I think we're going to see higher lows. We're going to trickle back up to that $1.50 range. So, and even in that, man, if you guys aren't following Diane Garrett yet, you should follow Diane Garrett. Dr. Diane Garrett, CEO of Highcroft Mine. Big time front and center, lead by example person. I'm really loving Highcroft Mine. Give her a follow. The news that comes out is great. Just like the other day they posted, we're delighted to have someone of Mr. Davidson's caliber joining our team. Highcroft Mine, pleased to announce the appointment of Alex B. Davidson to the position of Vice President of Exploration. This dude has 25 years of experience, a lot of it in Nevada with other mining companies for open pit mine and underground mine. That is a big deal. I believe they know there is massive mineralization at their site underground that they just can't get to yet, that they will get to in the future. 2023, Diane Garrett said full-scale commercialized operations. And they're putting out freaking joint NFTs, man. Something is coming. whether AMC is going to form a conglomerate, the theory of a conglomerate, which would be great, or AMC is going to buy more, or they're going to come out with some huge news about something. Something is going on between these two companies. How high can it go? HYMC? Well, any stock can go as high as it wants. I mean, that's my price target at HYMC, very simply $10. When they hit full scale commercialized operations, which Diane Garrett said in 2023 they will, which means they're going to be mining again. They're going to run the heap leaching pads, the mill, and the new POX processing facility. I believe they are going to triple their output, which is huge because currently the G7 is getting together and they're going to ban the buying of Russian gold. And there's also a major congressional, not a ban, but a embargo type thing going on, sanction on Chinese gold mines that are operating out of areas in Uganda because it's just horrible working conditions down there. It's humanitarian crisis. Russia is the number 3 gold producer in the world. China is like number 1. No, Russia's 1 or 2. China's number 1. We're 3. If you guys don't see what's happening here, it's crazy. Panasonic is getting ready to open a battery plant in the United States for Tesla. Intel is getting ready to open a semiconductor plant in Ohio because of the shortages. Guess what they're going to need for all of that? Silver, gold, nickel, lithium, all that good stuff. So anyways, that's my take on this, guys. Short video, really good news. Nice 5% run on Highcroft today, coming back from where I bought this morning at like 95 cents. So I'm pretty happy. Hope you guys made some money too. I'm looking to probably host a space call tomorrow at market close just to get back into the game. I've been with my kid relaxing for this week. So anyways, Highcroft Mine doing great. AMC doing great. The movies are crushing it. We got big major titles coming up in the future. Black Panther, Wakanda Forever, Avatar 2, all kinds of good stuff coming out. Make sure you go to the movies. Make sure you check out AMC On Demand. AMC Stubs and AMC On Demand. And I actually put an idea in with Mr. Eric on Twitter for AMC Ideas, which is a great group of people who present Adam Aron with a controlled, professional docket of ideas from the ape community. They are number 1. But I said it would be a good idea if when you sign up for AMC Stubs, you pay for the membership, you would get 1 free movie rental a month for AMC On Demand to help push people into that platform. Because I do think either Paramount or Disney or whoever is going to start teaming up with AMC, and AMC On Demand is either going to get bought out or it's going to become a new platform with new content directly from Disney and Paramount. Anyways, you guys have a great day. That's all the news I got for you. I will see you tomorrow. Hope your investments go well.